How to solve any 2x2 or 3x3 Rubik's Cube. First, let's scramble it. Okay, looks good now. Then, let's start with the first move. Repeat this 5 times. Now turn the cube 180 degrees. And then repeat the first step 5 times again. And there we go. Nice. Now let's try the same move with the 3x3 cube. Before we start, I will scramble it again. Okay, looks good now. Then let's start with the first move once again. Now turn it 180 degrees. And again the first move 5 times again. And there we go. Wow, that's so easy. By the way, you can win this $50 cube for free. Check out the pinned video for more information.